From Gambian.
I'm okay. You're fine.
Sorry.
I'm fine. How are you?
I came to extend my condolences to him and to the family of the former President Muhammadu Buhari. As I just spoke to the President, I told him Buhari was our colleague. He was a friend and he was a brother. He was a father figure to us. And he was a very humble president. A great man, a great president, a great leader. And I think his humbleness, we should all emulate him. If we emulate him, I think that will make us to move a mountain, to move Africa to the next level. Me personally, he contributed for me coming to power. He contributed to make sure that the voice of the Gambian people is respected. He contributed to consolidate democracy in our country. Because of this reason, I cannot be ungrateful. My consent would not have allowed me to rest without coming here to share my respect with the President and the family of Mr. Buhari. We will remember him. He will not be forgotten because he has a legacy. His legacy was a good legacy. On that note, we seize the opportunity to extend the condolences on behalf of myself, my family, and the Gambian people for the passing of Mr. Buhari.
Very good. Thank you, Excellency.
You got it right.